Welcome back to our channel. So this is an installation we did, the networking installation. We had to link the network inside the hotel. So this hotel is located in Warri, somewhere around Ajamuga. Kumaru Hotel. It's a very nice place. So we had to, after installing the network, we had to extend the network all around the hotel because it's a Starlink network they are using in the location. And as usual, we normally bring our giant access point, Grandstream 764 ELR. ELR actually means Enterprise Long Range. So that's why I love using this Grandstream. It's very nice. It has beautiful, amazing wall penetration, and it covers a wide range and a long range. So that's why I like it. And this AP is actually 4x4 MIMU, which is multiple input, multiple output. This AP is Wi-Fi 6 network. This AP has IP67, waterproof and dustproof. So this AP is actually massive. It's very massive, and it has 360 degrees omnidirectional output. So it does not just give 90 degrees or 180 degrees, it gives 360 degrees. So wherever you are mounting the AP, you are rest assured that all around is going to get the network. So that's what we are trying to hang here. The Grandstream AP. So it comes with its own stand, but you have to buy a switch or an injector 48 volts precisely to power it. So in this video we are powering it with a switch. So the reason why it's showing green light is because it has not been configured yet. So whenever it changes to blue light, it means it's now receiving network, and it is actually giving out network, not just receiving network. Another good thing about this AP is that it has two ports. It has SFP port. It has your normal conventional Ethernet port. Most people normally use Ethernet port. Yeah, but when you want to use, because of the long range, you're using a fiber optics cable, you don't have any problem. You can use the SFP port for your fiber optics cable. So that's it. So if you don't know what is SFP port, you can Google it. At this point, it is properly mounted. We've mounted the Grandstream, and this, I think this is a lounge or something like that. We used Ubiquiti. We paired the Grandstream with Ubiquiti because most of them were indoor and it was just a small space. So this is the swimming pool side, and that's the Grandstream is powering the swimming pool side. That's the pool, that's the outdoor. So the Grandstream is covering the whole of this place. Grandstream is covering it way beyond, even beyond the fence. Grandstream is covering those areas or those locations. So this is for a 5-bedroom apartment. This single Grandstream is powering the 5-bedroom apartment, sending network all over this apartment, 5-bedroom apartment. So it's also part of the hotel. So that's it. That's what this Grandstream can do. The Grandstream is very powerful. I've used it a couple of times and it does not fail. It has good wall penetration. So that's the parlor, 5-bedroom. You can see the TV is connected to the network. That's why you can see it. We try to test the network strength. So that's its blue light means it's already configured. Yeah. I think okay, this is the gym side. The gym side. Yeah, this side is actually called the floating bar. So we are also inside the hotel. This side is powered by 3 Grandstream. Yeah, we use 3 Grandstream for this side of the hotel. The floating bar is more like a reception and sit out. So this is the second Grandstream inside this floating bar, and the third one is inside this reception. Well, I think it's a hall or something. Yeah, so it's powering, it's sending network all over this space. The reason why we had to put one inside was because this place is not just block, it's glass, and glass has lesser penetrations when it has to do with network. It has lesser penetration. So because it was glass, we had to put one of the ground stream inside the building, inside the room. So it's stronger inside the room. So that's the walkway. We're doing the test. It was this is actually the kitchen. We're just trying to do the test running while the configuration was still going on. So that's why it didn't come up as much as I wanted it. But so that's those are the ground streams that are on the network. I think about eight of them. About eight of them. This is when I was configuring the ground stream. So you cannot configure ground stream with your phone. It has to be with your laptop. So when I was done, I had to. But you can view your devices that are online from your phone. So after doing the configuration, I had to make sure that all my devices are online. So that's what I did. So we had two master for this, and the rest are slave. So that's it. So those are the APs. Thank you for watching. You can contact us from the number on your screen for networking in your hotel, your bar, your hospital, wherever it may be. Thank you. God bless you.